project that we've just completed at South Morang for Folkestone Investments is a childcare centre. There was an existing childcare centre on the site, and they wanted to keep that facility operating for as long as possible before we constructed the new building. So we entered into discussions with Prebuilt around how we could build the building in their factory so that we could spend a minimum amount of time on site. We formed quite a strong relationship with individuals at Prebuilt in developing or modifying the design to suit the prefabrication techniques.
We started Prebuilt as a modular company. We started off doing residential homes, which were shipping around Australia. Throughout that process, we learned from our customers where they said we wanted to go to a more complex design, we want more architecture involved, we want a higher level of material quality in the products that we buy. We started to incorporate architects into our process. In the commercial areas, we've done some childcare centres using a lot of Weathertex product, as well as police stations, train stations, and in particular, a lot of education buildings for both the private and public sector.
Our product lends itself uniquely to the prefabricated modular housing market. Being the only manufactured cladding company in Australia that produces a wall panel up to 3.6 metres high, it eliminates a Z flashing that's required for products over 3 metres and enhances the aesthetics of the modular product. It also provides a lightweight product and easy to use, which takes a lot of labour out of the components of the prefabricated home builder.
In terms of advantages of off-site construction, faster and more dependable program times for the construction project is a very important one. High quality, reduced waste, even improved worker safety. The Prefab Oz seeks to foster collaboration and engagement amongst our membership base to help bring about the change for the more innovative ways of achieving take-up of off-site construction.
Prebuilt's been using Weathertex for well over 10 years now, and one of the main reasons is that it's a product which gives us no grief. It performs as it's promised. If we use it as part of the palette for the architects, it's something that they can apply and use with a mixture of other materials. So it's a product that's very stable and very attractive to our customers.
We're not being limited as architects in terms of what we can produce just because we want to pursue the prefabricated option. There's a lot of leading examples of really high quality designs being assembled in prefabricated ways that can lead by example in the industry as well.
Due to our uniqueness of product, the features and benefits, our manufacturing process, the service we provide to our customers, we're really proud to achieve #1 most trusted brand in the latest Architects and Design Awards. And on top of that, we're also won the Master Builders National Export Awards around our ability to continue to enhance our business globally on top of our domestic market.